Hi guys, Namaste, Sastriyakal, good evening. I'm back after a long time and today we are making an unboxing video of Blackberry Torch. As you guys know, I have a Blackberry Classic. I'm still using it. Very happy with this. Touch it. Seeing this, one of my friend wanted to buy a Blackberry, so I suggested him Blackberry Torch slider phone. So he was very interested, and today his phone has arrived. And thank you for allowing me to make an unboxing video of this phone. And as we know, Snapdeal has a bad reputation of sending refurbished phones in place of new ones. So we'll find out in a video. I've just opened up the packet and we'll see what the packet has to give us. A Blackberry phone, neatly bubble wrapped. So let's hope we get a good product. I mean a new product and a good product which works. As you can see, Blackberry packaging. Beautiful, isn't it? Blackberry comes in black box. It's a joke. Jokes apart, the model is Blackberry Torch 9810, made in Mexico. Hopefully this gonna work. Now let's open this box and see what's inside. Khulja sim sim. That's a very bad one, I know that. Tang tana. Tana tana. So wow, this has come neatly packed, and if you guys can see, as of now this phone looks to be in a good condition, and we'll just see whether it's working or not. Okay, I've removed the stickers, and as of now the phone seems good enough as a new one, because I'm too afraid of Snapdeal to buy anything from Snapdeal, and I hope I'm proved wrong. The phone looks new, absolutely new, and let's see what's inside the box. And we have this box which is empty. Wow, that's a joke. And we have this box which has a charger, and let's see if it's an authentic Blackberry charger. Yes, this is a original Blackberry charger, Blackberry logo on it. And now we have earphones, and let's see what earphones have come with this package. These are Blackberry earphones. Wow, they're good. They are bloody good. Snapdeal, not bad. Already changing my mind. And now the USB cable of the phone, and this also has a Blackberry logo, I think, or maybe not. Now let's see if the phone works. We'll put the battery, and we'll see if the phone switches on and if it works or not. As you guys can see, I've put the battery and the phone is just restarting. I mean, it's starting and it's loading. So by the time it loads, we'll see if the parts are authentic or not. So I'll make this a very quick one. The USB cable is provided, and though this does not have a okay, I hope if you guys can see, this has a Blackberry logo imprinted, so seems to be an original one. And the charger also, and this earphone has to have a special mention because these earphones are pretty cool, very cool, because they have an outer rubber grip also, and they look really good. And just clean up the mess. The phone has started, just see, and we will switch on the phone now. So this phone seems to be genuine phone, new one from Snapdeal. So I'm happy that my friend will be able to use this without any problems. And so that's it guys for today. As you see, I'm very happy with Snapdeal service, and let's hope this works fine and we don't have any problems. And regarding the uses and how the phone works, I'll be making a separate video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, to subscribe it.